Hello, myself Pooja from 3rd year Division A. Our 4th SEM design project is to design performing arts center. Humans express themselves through their vocals and body. Having this art center will be beneficial for diversity and free expression and will promote creativity and benefits to the city. Here are the area-wise sets of requirements. This is the case study of Nanjing's Performing Arts Center located in China. In its neighborhood context, having campus building complex. Connect its concept is give a singular expression. The covering roof connect the landscape. In the plan, we can see different level according to the different function. It having two basic parts, auditorium and office. The geometry, twisting and shiny skin gives it a different look. This is the flow chart of case study which is derived from plan. This is the sectional model of this performing arts center. Site analysis. This is the proposed site for the design. It is located in Maharashtra, Nashik city near the Bapu Pool, having site area 12,000 square meter along with Godavari river on south side. We can easily access the site. There are some existing complex like residential, commercial building around it. Site is facing south side, so we can give overhang to the overhang and shading devices on the south side. On site there are many palm trees and climbers we can use as decorative material and landscape or to avoid harsh sunrays. The wind direction is from southwest. The site have beautiful view of water body on west side. Also there is a slope on that side. There is a existing retaining wall we can use as security purpose. At front side of site there is a Goda Park which is publicly active space, so we can use that space into our design. So the people who come into that park can also connect with our building. The surrounding publicly actively spaces are huge advantages for this public building. Here is a challenge is how we can get that public into our building. Geometry is my main concept for design. In geometry there are so many shapes, lines, curves, form, and each and every line or shape depict or express any one of the emotions. The geometric form of building can also get a strong visual connection from the outside. Also, it will help in designing considering the climatic condition and site location. Here are some conceptual sketches, zoning and initial design development. I have placed these spaces into one linear direction, then we can get a view of water body and also can flow easily. This plan is based on the concept of geometry. I choose here square and rectangular shapes in staggered position. Thinking of every user, I distinct user-wise area. This is entry for staff and performers. At the west side, there are all services entries. And these are two parkings for, this is institutional parking and this is for visitors parking. I connected these two courtyards to make building look like a one monumental structure. This is block of auditorium having multiple entries. At lower level there are toilets and there is a entry from right hand side. When people come into the foyer, they have a choice to go into the main auditorium or into the small auditorium. At back side there is an institute. All the blocks placed in a grid manner which continues through the auditorium and whole design. At west side it has a pedestrian walkways. Here is a cafeteria so people can enjoy the view of water body while eating. This is the first floor plan. In this we can see there are green rooms at upper level. So performers can get privacy as well as view of this water body. This is roof plan. This is next level plan. This is the basement parking. In this roof plan, you can see the site development. This is a Goda Park, which is publicly active space, so that public can attract and go into this our public building. So it makes a connection between public and our building design. This is section AA, which is cut through institute. These are dance classroom and music classroom having storage areas and the courtyard and the atrium at the upper level. This is section BB, which is cut from small auditorium. Here we can see the fly tower stage and the sitting of this auditorium. There is also catwalk, and at the back side there is a control room. This is section CC, which is cut through horizontally through a main auditorium. Having at base level, it has toilets under these sittings. This is pit. You can see here the wings, fly tower. At back side there is a backstage. At upper side of backstage there are green rooms. Here is a small auditorium. At back side there are institutes. This is the back side elevation of model. This is front side elevation of model. 3D views.